Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a cybersecurity plan with cybersecurity and privacy, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of a cybersecurity plan. Recognize that a robust plan safeguards digital assets and sensitive information. Start with a comprehensive risk assessment. Identify potential threats that could impact your organization. Evaluate vulnerabilities within your current systems and processes. Determine the potential impact of these risks on your business operations. Prioritize the risks based on their likelihood and severity. Next, define your security goals and objectives. Set clear, measurable targets for your cybersecurity efforts. Establish a framework that aligns with industry standards and regulatory requirements. Develop security policies that outline expected behaviors and practices. Include guidelines for data protection, incident response, and employee training. Once policies are established, focus on implementing technical controls. Install firewalls, antivirus software, and intrusion detection systems. Use encryption for sensitive data both at rest and in transit. Regularly update software and systems to patch vulnerabilities. Create an incident response plan to address potential security breaches. Clearly define roles and responsibilities for your response team. Establish procedures for identifying, reporting, and mitigating incidents. Conduct regular training and awareness programs for employees. Ensure that everyone understands their role in maintaining cybersecurity. Periodically review and update your cybersecurity plan. Adapt to new threats and changes in your organizational structure. Perform regular cybersecurity assessments to gauge the effectiveness of your plan. Incorporate lessons learned from incidents and near misses. Finally, foster a culture of cybersecurity awareness within your organization. Encourage open communication about security concerns and best practices. By following these steps, you can create a comprehensive cybersecurity plan that protects your organization. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.